Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the essentials: your CV, transcripts, project summaries, and program specs. Once done, tell the AI your role and voice, plus a target length and tone. Make sure to highlight 3 key story beats: why you, why this program, why now. Then ask the AI for a first draft outline with headings and word counts. This gets you past the blank page and creates a scaffold to refine efficiently. You now feed the AI the anecdotes and measurable achievements that make you distinct, and ask it to draft paragraphs under each heading. Once you have text, request targeted rewrites. Make one version more concise, another more narrative, and a third emphasizing research fit. Make sure to check for admissions keywords and tighten sentences to quantify impact. Use back and forth edits to sharpen transitions, and ensure each paragraph answers a specific evaluative question. You finish by harmonizing voice and checking grammar, specificity, and word limits. Read the SOP aloud to test flow. Once done, use the AI to smooth tone and fix awkward sentences, then manually verify factual accuracy and program names. If the draft veers off or feels generic, isolate the problematic paragraph and prompt the AI to rewrite with explicit constraints and concrete examples. Finally, save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.